Introducing shaders in Framer. Shaders let you design visual effects like animated gradients, particles, image filters, and much more. They are fully customizable through simple properties, highly optimized for performance, and deeply integrated into our publishing workflows. So you can use these rich, dynamic visuals directly on your site. You can find our shaders in the Insert panel, and that's also how you add them to your projects. So, let's have a look. Shaders in Framer are so customizable, each one can be considered its own tool. For example, many of our gradient type shaders will include a seed property, which is essentially a number that controls the random pattern at which the shader starts, effectively giving you infinite variations to explore. And properties like colors, definition, and noise let you dial in shaders exactly to your liking. Each shader has its own unique set of controls that you can customize. And at a high level, we have 3 different types of shaders in Framer today. The first being these colorful gradient type shaders that can be animated and are perfect for designing stunning visuals and backgrounds. The second being image shaders. These let you upload your own images and turn them into something truly unique. And the third being these dark black and white shaders like particles and mesh. This particle shader in particular can be used for anything from floating particles to snow effects to space warp effects. And this is just the beginning. We have many more shaders in the works that are coming soon. That's it for shaders in Framer.